All right. I'm getting sick and tired of listening to people complain. I can't build cool shit because I don't have all the right tools. I need this, I need that. The last guy I heard complain, he said, I can't even fill up a flat tire, let alone run an air tool. I don't have a compressor. I don't have the right equipment. Well, he did have a shop vac. I don't know why. He's talking about not being able to build anything, but he owns a shop vac. Well, shop vacs are kind of cool. They suck really well. On the other end, they have the exhaust port that blows. That's the end that we'll be using. It'll be along the lines of a garden hose. To increase pressure on a garden hose, you put your thumb over the end. That resistance increases pressure. It makes that water squirt farther. This will be along the same lines. We can't put our thumb over the end. We can't just plug the air hose into that end. I'm going to make a reducer using a funnel, some tape, and a tie-down strap. Let me pause you for a second while I get the stuff prepped. All right, now, the prep work for this project is done. Pretty simple. We have a shop vac. We have a funnel that now I cut the end off so I could fit the air hose into it. I securely tape the hose onto the end of the funnel using blue painter tape. Removes a lot easier, doesn't leave any sticky residue on your funnel. Then I sealed it up better using blue painter tape so I don't have any air leaks. And I held it in place with this rubber strap. Now, I should be able to turn on the shop vac, inflate this tire, and run this air tool. Just use your head a little. You can build shit.